Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, July 9th, 2019. High pressure is in control this morning, providing excellent weather conditions throughout much of the region. We do have a little bit of fog developing around Trenton, right around the Delaware River, should I say. Other than that, pretty much visibility around 10 miles with temperatures ranging from the mid 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid 60s to upper 60s everywhere else. Very nice tranquil weather conditions with lower humidity and light and variable winds. We can take a look at the latest satellite picture. Not much in the way of cloud cover, just a little bit of low clouds here and there. Other than that, high pressure is in complete control with tranquil weather conditions expected to remain in place through tomorrow. And then things get interesting once again. So let's dive into this forecast. Now, we're keeping an eye on a low disturbance that's diving through Georgia and heading towards the Gulf Coast that has the potential of developing into some sort of tropical low. We are way too early to go into detail what to expect along the Gulf Coast. It could develop into a tropical depression, a storm. We don't know yet, okay? So until we get a better idea of where this low starts to develop and how well it organizes, we really don't know what the impacts are going to be on the Gulf Coast. And of course, later on in the forecast period, beyond this period of the forecast, we don't know how that's going to impact the Mid-Atlantic yet. So a lot of uncertainty in that. So we'll wait and see how that takes shape and evolves over the next 24 to 48 hours and then go from there. For our neck of the woods, high pressure will be in complete control with clear skies, highs ranging from the mid to upper 80s this afternoon, but generally low humidity. So overall, pretty pleasant day out there. Good day to go to the beach. For tonight, look for clear skies to sky cloud cover, light winds, lows in the mid to upper 60s. For tomorrow afternoon, high pressure starts to exit. Look for some increasing cloud cover. Look for highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. A little bit of an increase in humidity. On Thursday, a warm front will approach the region. I'm going to hold off the rain into the evening hours with the threat for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. But for the most part, we're dealing with increasing cloud cover with an increase in humidity. Temperatures on Thursday range from the mid to upper 60s for lows and mid 80s to lower 90s for highs. On Friday, the warm front will move through in the morning hours, so look for showers and thunderstorms. Could be a rough morning rush hour on Friday. In the afternoon, a cold front will follow with some isolated thunderstorms. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows and mid 80s to lower 90s for highs. On Saturday, a weak cool front will move through with the threat for some morning fog and isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. Not a washout, but just keep an eye on a thunderstorm or two. Temperatures on Saturday will range from the mid to upper 60s for lows and mid 80s to lower 90s for highs. On Sunday, pretty much the same scenario once again. Another weak cold front will move through with some fog in the morning, could be locally dense, isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon. Look for temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s for lows and mid 80s to lower 90s for highs. Monday, once again, another cold front, another threat for some isolated thunderstorms. Look for lows in the mid to upper 60s, highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. And on Tuesday, rinse and repeat, another threat for an isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon. Look for lows in the mid 60s to lower 70s and highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. So the overall theme here over the next 7 days, pretty much aside from today, is going to be the feature of a tropical air mass lingering around the region. Not incredibly hot, but a bit muggy and sticky out there, and always keep an eye on a thunderstorm or two in the afternoon or evening. That's why we have that range from mid 80s to lower 90s. You get a thunderstorm, temperatures are going to be stuck in the mid 80s, but it's going to feel really humid and sauna-like out. But if you don't get a thunderstorm with enough sunshine, you'll be able to burst up into around 91, 92 degrees. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA Weather, and as always, stay safe out there.